All right, so let's talk the directions for the performance task for credit one. Now, for credit one, you're going to be writing a short essay, and you're going to be talking specifically about the American Revolution and the Civil War and how these expanded democratic principles and American ideals. So you're going to start by demonstrating that you understand what democracy is. And democracy is not a complicated concept. It just means um, that the citizens of a country should have a say in how that country is run, right? Um, that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the political process, and that is basically democracy. And democracy is at the core of the ideals that America is founded on, what we see in the Declaration of Independence, right? And so you're going to demonstrate an understanding of what are some of the ideas that make the foundation of this country. And then you're going to talk about two wars, the American Revolution and the Civil War, and how those expanded democratic principles in the American ideal. And this may seem a little daunting at first, but this is why in your performance task I've given you this outline section, right? So you can write out what is going to be the first sentence of your essay. How are you going to lead into this? What is going to be your argument, your thesis statement? You put those together and you basically have the introduction to your essay. Then body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3. You put down the main idea, your evidence. You can expand those out each into a paragraph. Then you restate the main idea. Basically, you're going to restate your thesis in a different way. You're going to refer to the supporting topics and conclude, right? And this is going to be your outline for your essay. Once you have this in place, this is going to make writing the essay itself a lot easier. Now, this isn't strictly necessary. If you feel confident that you can write a 5-paragraph essay without outlining first, I'm not going to mark you down for not having this, but I will say that this is going to be incredibly helpful, especially if you have any apprehension about writing an essay. Breaking it down into its individual pieces and then assembling it together as an essay is going to be much easier for you. It's going to take much less effort in the long run. So that's really it. What is democracy? What are American ideals? This is really kind of, right, going back to your essential question, what are the ideas and principles America is founded on? And what does it mean to be American? This is really going to be kind of your lead into this. This is going to be your introduction, right? So what are these ideals? And how did those ideals get expanded over time through things like the American Revolution and through the Civil War? Um, I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.